In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import images in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new to DaVinci Resolve, importing an image is one of the most basic and useful things you can learn, especially if you want to add photos, graphics, logos, or other visual elements to your project. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a moment once you know where to look. To begin, go to the top left corner of DaVinci Resolve. From there, click on File. This opens the main file menu where you'll find several options related to creating, opening, and bringing media into your project. In this case, what you want to do is click Import and then choose Media. As soon as you do that, a File Explorer window will open on your computer. This is where you can browse through your folders and locate the image you want to bring into DaVinci Resolve. Take a second here to make sure you're selecting the correct file. This could be something like a JPEG, PNG, or another image format that you plan to use in your edit. Once you've found the image, click on it to select it and then confirm the import. After that, the image will be added to your DaVinci Resolve project, and that's it. The file is now available for you to use in your timeline or media pool, depending on how you want to work with it. If you're following along for the first time, it's a good idea to keep your project files organized before importing. That way, your images are easier to find both inside and outside of Resolve. This can save time later, especially if you're working on larger edits with lots of assets. Another helpful tip is to double-check the image resolution before importing, particularly if you're using it for full-screen display. Higher quality images will generally look better in your final video, while very small images may appear blurry if stretched too much. So again, the process is simple. Go to the top left, click File, click Import, choose Media, wait for the File Explorer to open, select your image, and import it. Once that's done, your image is ready to use. That's all there is to it. You can now continue building your project and start using your imported image anywhere you need it inside DaVinci Resolve.